Here is a case of en-bloc resection of bladder tumor with thulium fiber laser. Actually, this case is done by Dr. P. Ramakrishna, my colleague at Preeti Hospital. I am giving the voice over. It is a small tumor in the bladder. These are the ideal cases for the en-bloc resection. Advantage is muscle comes nicely laterally like this. There is no fear of obturate or reflux, no fear of perforation because it acts as like a pencil, and the depth can be controlled every second to second. Not a large surface will be cut at a time. This is the marking with thulium fiber laser. It is a very coagulative laser. So definitely if you mark all around, it usually completely devascularize if you coagulate the central pedicle, or in small tumors that is also not necessary. Generally we think the small tumors loop will take in one bite, but the problem after the loop is the base looks as if the tumor is removed and it will be little charred. And sometimes in these tumors, if they are very aggressive, if they are involving the lamina propria or the detrusor muscle, definitely the chances of miss is high. Here we are marking all around half centimeter. Now once the marking is over, the secret is 10 Hg and 1 joule, very quick movement with a distended bladder. Normally when we do with non-distended bladder with the loop, because to avoid the jerk. Here at the lateral var we are doing with distended bladder. The major advantage is the muscle fibers will be seen nicely in distended bladder. If you move fast, the muscle fibers are appreciated very well. This is on the opposite side. Opposite side also, if you release, exactly you will go same place. See, if you move it will not stick. If you stay it will stick. That is the only point. And the cutting settings are different from coagulation settings. But overall, even in cutting setting, this laser little coagulative, as everybody knows. To avoid that, quick movement and developing a plane is in the muscle gives a big chunk of the muscle below, so that almost we go to the level of perforation of the bladder, but not really. The just at the level of the outside detrusor, majority of the times we see clearly, but not abrupt or acute perforation with loop can happen, will not happen in such cases, because the depth of penetration is only 0.15 mm. This is on the opposite side. Like this it came in total, and if you see the surface, all the muscle fibers are seen, quite deep tissue will come, and majority of the times we are seeing that jerk will not be there, bleeding will not be there, and with the loop only or with the basket we can take it out, and clear urine comes maximum 3-4 hours only, and mitomycin also can be given immediately. This is the surface of the resected area which is clean with a lot of thick tissue, most likely the muscle. Thank you.